Hi everyone, right, so I just want to do a quick video because to be honest I'm not finding a lot of information out there about how to set up FT8 on a uSDX clone, and to be honest there's a really simple way. As you can see, it works. I'm making contacts and it's really easy, to be honest. So this is the uSDX. As you can see, I have two audio leads, one in the headphone, one in the mic. And then the audio leads are going into this, which is a Uggreen sound card, and it just plugs directly into the laptop. Now the one thing that I never see mentioned is the headphone wire. So that goes into the microphone section on this, and vice versa. So the microphone goes into the headphone, and then plug it in, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Just tune in, make sure you're on the right frequency. I usually use 20 meters, so that's the frequency for me. Now, once you've done that, you need to go into your file, settings, and then we'll go to the general tabs. So you put your call sign in, you put your grid reference in, and then go over to radio. Make sure Vox is ticked, if you can see that, and then that's all you need to do on there. Audio, make sure that it's the USB audio device for both input and output. Okay, and then we go down to the uSDX, go into the menu and make sure that Vox is on, and then we come out of that. Done. And then that's sorted. Now your waterfall down here, make sure that you extend it as far across as it will go, and then that means that you're going to get some more frequencies in. And I think that's pretty much it. So what I'm going to do is I am going to just enable CQ or enable TX, and that'll put a call out, and we'll see if we can catch any little fishes. So as you can see, that should kick in soon. So that's changed to transmit, if you can see it. I don't know if you can, but it's transmitting on here, and it's calling CQ. And that's it. It's as simple as that. That's all you need to do. Now this sound card, I think it cost, I don't know, £10 maybe less. I can't quite remember. And the audio cables you can just pick up from Amazon. That, again, you can pick up from Amazon. It's all very simple and straightforward. You don't need to create any cat cables or anything like that. You don't need to mess about splicing cables and making your own connections. It's literally that simple. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.